Hello my friends and welcome. Katy here with Eastwick's Paper and Ink. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I am participating in a hashtag driven hop, which is hashtag letscreateandinkspire, and you can follow along by clicking that link in my title and in the top of the description box below. And we are playing with the July 2020 Create an Inkspired card kit. Now in just a couple of days, either today or in a day or two, there's going to be a new monthly card kit. Each month there's going to be a new kit. This month it normally releases on the 15th of the month, but there's been some delays with COVID and shipping and all that stuff. So it's been delayed a couple of days. But for today, we are going to be playing with the July card kit. Now, the stamp set is the Wildflower Stamp and Sentiment set, which comes in the kit. And this is a background that I created a few videos back and showing you how to create your own Nuvo shimmer powders. And I will link that up above, down below, and at the end so you can check it out. And I'm going to be using my A2 layers die set from Wildflower and a couple of these border die set from Lawn Fawn. And so while I'm going through and trimming everything up, it's pretty self-explanatory on the screen. So I want to talk about Create and Inkspire. And if you're not familiar, Create and Inkspire was created by Courtney Kreeber. It is an online publication for card makers, kind of like a magazine, an online magazine. And there's blog posts and there's videos that are only accessible by having a subscription. So kind of like having a magazine subscription. And it allows you to get specialized content from everyday crafters like you and me. So I highly encourage you to check the website out. The monthly subscriptions are as follows. You have a monthly subscription which starts at $3.99. For 6 months, you can do $19.99, and for 12 months, it's $36.99. So you can check it out for $3.99, and if you like it, then you have some options to save some money by extending your subscription. The monthly card kits are $35.99, and you get 10% off the kit if you are a member. So, you know, some perks to being a member. And again, you get some private specialized content just for members. So I'm going to link everything up in the description box below. I highly encourage you check it out. And I'm going to get into the card now. And this is just a very simple card. I stripped up my panels. When I trimmed up my the panel with the A2 Wildflower set, I didn't realize that I went down to a 4 1/4, and so, or a 4 by 5 1/4, and so I should have trimmed it in half at 2, but I didn't. So one's a little bit bigger than the other, but that's no big deal. And I'm using some Fabriano Black cardstock and as my card base, and I'm using some Tim Holtz gold Kraft metallic Kraft stock for my gold panel. And because I had trimmed it with the layering dies, it was a little shorter, so that's why I put the gold banner or the gold backing to go from top to bottom so there wouldn't be a gap. And it actually, I think, really made those colors pop on that panel. And just some simple stamping, Versafine Onyx black ink, and a couple of the flower stamps, the one single flower, because there's 2 single flowers, and the leaves for one of them. And I mean, I just think this looks really pretty and elegant and perfect to send to one of your dearest friends. So just putting some art glitter glue down and lining everything up so there's a nice even border. And then I'm going to put some embossing powder with some gilded Brutus Monroe with a couple of the sentiments. And then I'm going to be using some of the Trinity stamp gems that were in the card kit as well. They're clear iridescent, and so they pick up whatever color is underneath, and in the photos you'll be able to see they kind of like have a red glow to them. That's really, really pretty. So again, if you haven't stopped on over to Create and Inspire, I highly encourage you to do so. There's some fabulous creators that have been making content on that website, and you're really missing out if you don't go and check it out. And so here I'm just inking this up again with some Versamark ink, and the sentiments all read, let me find my stamp set. There we go. Friends bring color to your world. And then on the inside I put thankful for you. And then the other one, which is this one here, is thankful for you. And then I put missing you today for the inside sentiment. And here I'm just going to save you the hassle. Watch me put on these gems. But I did put them on both panels, scattered them about. And I'm using some Gina K Designs Ivory layering cardstock for the inside. And normally I don't do a panel on the inside, on both sides, but I just thought that it looked a little bit better to have it covered both on both sides. And that's going to wrap up the card for me today, guys. I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Please click that hashtag Let's Create and Inspire, follow along on the hop, and check out all the fabulous people participating. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.